Hi, it's Sammy here, and I'm so excited to share with you this delicious recipe for crispy chicken with a beautiful kimchi dressing. I love kimchi. It's one of my all-time favorite Korean ingredients, and I especially love eating it on its own, but also love cooking with it. So can't wait to show you. To make this recipe, first we need to marinate the chicken. Add to a bowl some yogurt, kimchi brine, onion powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and some salt. Freshly cracked pepper, and mix it all together really well. Add in some thin pieces of chicken breast and marinate and coat well. Marinate for at least 15 minutes or overnight. Once marinated, coat in crumbs and make sure to press it in well. Heat a large pan with enough vegetable oil to shallow fry the chicken. Fry until golden on one side and then flip. Drain off the chicken and let it rest. Next, we're going to make our sauce. Mix together yogurt, mayonnaise, lemon zest, onion powder, a grating of garlic, some finely chopped kimchi, and some lemon juice. Add in some chopped chives and season to taste. To serve, cut up your chicken into finger-sized pieces. And to plate up, spread a generous amount of the sauce on the bottom of the plate. Place over your chicken fingers. Top with some extra servings of kimchi because it's so delicious. And finish off with some crispy shaved cabbage. Garnish with a final sprinkling of chopped chives and time to tuck in. Absolutely delicious, crunchy, Flavor Town, yum. So good.